Okay, this is my Ford Transit. It's a 250, but I think all of them have the same issues. That the gas cover doesn't close. If it's level, on level ground, it's fine. It'll stay closed. But a lot of times I'm parked at a little angle, either one way or the other, and if I do, this flies open. Then when you forget and you go to close the door, it might be, like this, and you close the door, this will flap in the wind and has a tendency to fly off. So we're going to replace this. All right, so what you're going to need is a small screwdriver. Just any kind of screwdriver. You're going to put it in this hole right here and press the tab, and then this will slide right off. So we'll do this first. Okay, I can't do it with one hand, so I push the tab in, and now you're just going to slide this forward, and it comes off. And this is the tab that you're going to push down on. Alright, once you get that done, you're just going to pull this off. It's four little tabs that go into there. Then you're going to have one right here, 2, 3 T25s, and that's going to come off. All right, let's get that done. Okay, so now all the screws are out. They're all the same size, 3 of them, so you don't have to worry about where they go. All right, so now you want to take this bottom piece off. People say you don't have to, but then they break the tab at the bottom, which I will show you. So that comes off. If you do have, they make body panel removers. If you have a plastic one, that's the best. You can use the metal one, but you really have to be careful not to scratch up your paint. So now that that one's done, we can use a plastic body behind there. Let's pull that off. There, done. So, all right. So now I'll show you this plastic. Actually, it did break. Okay, so this is the plastic piece that's down at the bottom that goes in that hole right there. And if you don't take this panel off, that will break. And I guess because I pulled back on it, it broke anyways, but this is junk. All right, so now we're gonna put in the new one. I got this off of Amazon. The Ford dealerships didn't have it. I checked the door. The door closes on a spring. I do not know. This is where it usually breaks. I do not know the longevity of it, but we will know after a while. This is a 2020, so I don't know if it's ever, I bought it used. It's in my Splice van, so I do not know if this has been replaced before, but it's super easy. So let's get this installed. What you want to do is center it over, get this in there, and then once you get it where it's got to be, all you do is, that's it. All right, so I'll show you how to put the door on, the other panels, the screws back, and everything should be good. Okay, I went and put the screws in, the 3 screws. So now we're going to put this back. Just going to get those lined up and push, and that should be it. Here, click, boom, done. All right, the door, remember you have this tab right here that releases it. I hope I can do this with one hand. Let me get it set and then I'll come back. All right, I got it set in there. You can see these tabs up here go into the hole. So once you have it set, you just push it in and it locks into place. Done. And last but not least, this. The Again, it's just 4 holes. Done. And that's it. Super simple. I would recommend taking this off. It's not that hard. You just pull on it, comes off, boom, put it back on. All right. I hope everybody has a good day, and I'll see you soon.